Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Ranjan. Today we will discuss one more different types of DFA construction. Okay, write the question. Okay, write the question. Design a DFA that accepts all strings where first two symbols are same in every string. Over the input alphabet A, B. Okay, what is the meaning of this? The first two symbols are same in every string. For example, the string will start with either A or BB. The string will start with either A or BB. Means, for example, this is the minimum string. Means, suppose a string like A, yes, it is a valid string. A, B, yes, the string starts with double A, so it is a valid string. Suppose A, B, A, this is not a valid string, invalid string, because the string starts with AB. Suppose B, yes, it is a valid string because the string starts with same symbols. Suppose, for example, B, A, yes, it is a valid string because the string starts with BB, yes, it is a valid string. B, the string is not valid because it starts with BA. Okay, hope all of you understand what is the meaning of the question. Okay, now we'll construct the DFA for the given question. Okay, how to construct here? What is the minimum string here? The minimum string is AA. The minimum string is AA. Sorry. This is Q0, initial state. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is final state. Okay. What is the minimum string? The minimum string is A. Okay. Means either the string starts with A or BB Q1, QJ, Q1, Q2, then this is Q3, or it will start with B, right? Okay, either starts with A or start with B. Okay, now we'll adjust the remaining transitions according to DFA rule. Here Q0 already reads A and B. Here Q1 already reads A. Now remaining alphabet is here B. Okay, now Q1 will read. Every string must start with AA. If every string must start with AA, the first alphabet must be A and the second alphabet must be A. If the second alphabet B, then it will go to dead state. If it is B, then it will go to dead state. A, B. This one QD is a dead state. Okay. Similarly, every string must start with B, 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 B. The first alphabet must be B and the second alphabet must be B. If the second alphabet is B, if the second alphabet is A, so it will go to dead state. Hope all of you understand. Okay. Okay. Q1 reads AB, Q3 reads AB, then Q2. Okay. Now Q2 will read. Okay. See here, A, many number of edges may be coming, many number of edges, because the string is valid, because this string is because the string starts with two number of edges. A, this is multiple number of edges. Okay, this is multiple number of edges. This type of string may be generated. B, multiple number of B's. Okay, because the string is valid because the string starts with two B's. Okay, that's why B will stay in the Q2 state. Okay, hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask through any questions through comment box. Okay, the next question. The next question is similarly, first two symbols are different. First two symbols are different over the input alphabet A, B. That means every string must start with either A, B or B, A. That means A, B, yes, it is a valid string. B, A, yes, it is a valid string. A, B, A is a valid string because the string starts with A, B, means different symbols. Okay. Suppose B, B, A, it is an invalid string because the string starts with the first two symbols are same in this case. Here first two symbols are different. Here first two symbols are different. Here first two symbols are different. Suppose A, B, A. This is an invalid string because the first two symbols are same. A, B, A, B. This is a valid string because the first two symbols are different. Okay. Now we'll construct the TFA. Okay. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. Okay. Starts with, it will either start with A, B, or let it is Q3, or it will start with B, A. It is just similar like the above figure. It is just similar like the above DFA. Similarly, first two symbols are set. It's just similar like. Okay. Now we'll adjust the transitions according to DFA rule. Q0 already reads AB. Q1 reads B. Then Q1 will read A. The remaining alphabet is A. What is the minimum string is here? AB. The first alphabet, if the first alphabet is A, the second alphabet must be B because the first two symbols are different. See here, the first alphabet must be A if the second alphabet must be B. If the second alphabet is A, then it will go to dead state. Then it will go to dead state. If it is A, go to dead state. Okay. B, A, the first alphabet in the second case. Okay, the first alphabet must be B and the second alphabet must be A. If the second alphabet, the first alphabet is already B, if the second alphabet B, if the second alphabet is B, then it will go to dead state. Okay, then it will go to dead state. Okay, okay, Q0 already reads AB, Q1 already reads AB, Q3 already reads AB. Now come to Q2 state. Okay, ABA, ABA, or like this, AB double A. S, this string is a valid. S, this string is a valid because this string starts with means the first two symbols are different in the given string. So how to AB? Therefore, multiple number of A means A will stay on the Q2 state. Okay. Suppose B, A, multiple number of B's may be coming, or A, B, multiple number of B's may be coming. Okay, this string is valid because it starts with different symbols like BA, or first two symbols are different. It is a valid string because the first two symbols are different. So therefore multiple number of bits, so that's why B will stay on the Q2 state. Okay, remember one thing, when in case of DFA, for fast means every fast means one dead state. Fast means always one dead state. When we'll talk about any fast in case of DFA, always it must have one dead state. Any fast means every in case of fast, every DFA must have one dead state. Okay, hope all of you understand. Okay, the next question is the next question. Last two symbols are same over the input alphabet A, comma B. Last two symbols are same. Last two symbols means this is A and A. This is the last two symbols, or B, B. Okay. For example, A. Yes, it is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. B, it is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. A, triple A, this is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. Triple B, yes, it is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. BAA, yes, this is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. Okay, now we'll construct the DFA. Okay, this is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. Okay, A, what is the minimum string here? A. Then Q3, then Q4. What is the minimum string is here? Either it will end with A or it will end with BB. Hence here the minimum string is either A or BB, because this string starts with, sorry, this string ends with 2H and this string ends with 2B, or the last two symbols are same in the given string. Okay. The last two symbols are same in every string. Okay. Okay. A, see here, suppose there are multiple number of H. Yes, this string ends with double A, or the last two symbols are same in, the last two symbols are same in the given string. So A can stay on Q2 state. Okay. So the BB, 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 suppose, yes, this string is valid because the last two symbols are same in this given string. So that's why B will stay on Q4 state. B will stay on Q4 state. Okay. Hope all of you understand. Okay. Now there is a string like AB double A. Yes, this is a valid string because the string ends with, or the last two symbols are same in the given string. A, okay, A, B, A, A, here, A, B, A, here, A, B, A, then A. Similarly, B, A, double A, B, A, and then A. This is a valid string. Or similarly, we can select B, A, B, B as these strings are valid because the string, because the last two symbols are same in the given string. B, A, then B, then B. Okay. Q0 already reads AB, Q1 already reads AB, Q3 already reads A, B, Q2 reads A. The remaining alphabet is here B. The remaining alphabet is here B. A, suppose the strings is like A, B, B. A, this string. Where the string is a valid string. This string is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. A, B, B, right? A, B, then B. Similarly, B, B, A. For this input string, the last two symbols are same. The last two symbols are same. Okay. B, B, then A and A. B here, B, B, then A, then A. Okay. Hope all of you understand this one. Okay. This question is for last two symbols are same. Hope all of you understand this question. Next question, last two symbols are different. Next question. Last two okay, last two symbols are different over the input alphabet A, B. Means the string must ends with either A, B or B, A. Okay, the string must end with A, B or B, A. The string either end with a B or BA. Suppose okay, check the valid string and invalid string. AB, yes, it is a valid string because the last two symbols are different. BA, yes, the last two symbols are different. ABA, yes, the last two symbols are different. BAB, yes, it is a valid string because the last two symbols are different. BBAA, it is an invalid string because the last two symbols are same. AABA, yes, it is a valid string because the last two symbols are different. Okay, hope all of you understand the question. Now we'll construct the DFA. It is just similar like the above DFA, means the first two symbols are same. Sorry, the last two symbols are same. Sorry. How to construct it? It is Q0, it is Q1, it is Q2, the final state, Q3, then it is Q4. Okay, means what is the minimum string is here? Minimum string AB or BA. This is my initial state. Either the last two symbols are different. It is AB or BA. AB or BA. Here, there may be this one is a valid string because the last two symbols are different. So now we'll adjust the transition. Okay, Q0 already reached AB, then Q1 will read A, then Q1 will read A. Okay, this one is a triple AB. Triple AB is a valid string. So A will stay on Q1 state because there are multiple number of A's may become. Okay. Similarly, there are multiple number of B's may become. The two symbols, the last two symbols in a given string is different. So you will stay on Q3 state. Okay. Q1 already reads AB and Q3 reads AB. Okay. Right. AB, AB. Then Q2 will read AB and Q4 will read AB. Here AB, AB is a valid string. Now it is A, B. Okay. Then, sorry. This is A, B. This is A and this is B. or sorry, first the string is like, okay, don't consider this one, ABA is a valid string, ABA, so that will be A, B, then A. Okay, now we'll check similarly, BAB is a valid string, BA and B, this is a valid string. Remember one thing, since A is coming here, so A must come here. Since B will go Q2 state, so this B is also go to Q2 state, right? Okay, now Q2 reads A and Q4 reads B. Now Q2 will read again B. A, B, B, A, this type of string may be generated. A, B, B, A, because this is a valid string because the last two symbols are different. So this is A, this is B, and this is B, this is B, and this is A. Suppose similarly A, multiple number of B's may be coming because this is a valid string because the last two symbols are same. See here A, B, then B, then multiple number of B's because B is a self loop on Q3 state. Then the last one is A. Okay. Similarly, B, A, B. This is a valid string because the last two symbols are different. B, A, B, A. This is A, B, A, and this is A, and this is B. Similarly, B, multiple number of A and B. This is a valid string because the last two symbols are different in the given string. Here, B, A, then multiple number of H. This one is the multiple number of H. Okay, then the last one is the B. Okay, hope all of you understand. Hope all of you understand. Okay, that is the today's class. Okay, thanks for watching.